Namaste. Welcome to Revision with Vrithi. Today we will see the fractions chapter checkup. Fill in the blanks. The dash tells us the parts being counted. The numerator tells us B. The dash tells us the equal parts in all. Denominator. A dash fraction has 1 as its numerator. Unit fraction has 1 as its numerator. A fraction that has the same numerator and denominator has the value 1. Next. State whether true or false. The minute hand has travelled halfway around the clock. True. Half of the chocolate is left. False. Name these fractions in two ways. First, for the shaded parts, then the unshaded parts, if any. One, two, three, 4. 1 by 4. Next. Three by 6. This is 4 by 4. This is 0 by 3. Okay. Next, find half of 1 dozen x. 1 dozen, half of 1 dozen x. 1 dozen means 12. So here 12 divided by 2. How much? 6. 6x. 1/3 of 1 dozen flowers. 1 dozen means 12. 12 divided by 3. How much? 4. 4 flowers. 1/4 of 1 dozen books. 1 dozen here 12. 12 divided by 4. How much? 3 books. If you ate a piece of halwa from this tray, you can you say that you ate 1/7 of the halwa? No. Tick the correct answer. Out of a book of 25 pages, Vinay read 20 pages. What fraction of the book has he read? 20 divided by 25 or 20 or 25. Understood? This is about the chapter checkup. For this we finished our maths, 3rd standard maths. Tomorrow we will start our 4th standard mathematics. Thank you.